Welcome everyone. In the last video, we have seen how to find out the opposite face of a dice. And in the same video, uh, you had asked to find out the opposite of face 5. So let's solve the problem and move on to the next type of problem on dice. So as I told you, make a 3-column table, write down adjacent here, opposite in the third column, and write down the number to which we are supposed to find out the opposite face. In this case it is 5. Now in the given pictures, try to identify the adjacent faces of 5. Adjacent faces of 5, in the first dice picture we have no 5, hence we'll leave as it is. In the second picture we have 5 number appearing, so along with 5, 3 and 4 are also appearing. That means to say 3 and 4 are adjacent to each other and adjacent to face 5. Hence we'll write down 3 and 4 here. And in the third picture again 5 is appearing along with 6 and 2, hence these 3 are adjacent faces. So let's write down 6 and 2. So once all the entries are made, let's move on to check out the number which is remaining. Now 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is also written, 5 is written and 6 is written. So the only number which is missing here is 1. Hence answer is 1. Hope you understand how to solve this problem. Now we'll see the next type of problem. Okay, in this case you are supposed to find out opposite of face 4. So same way, make a 3-column table, write down the number to which we are supposed to find out the opposite face. So that is 4 in this case, and adjacent here, opposite here. So in the first picture given there is no 4, hence will not touch it. The second picture there is 4 appearing along with 1 and 6, since they are adjacent to each other. So we'll write down 1 and 6. This is over. Now let's move on to the third picture. In the third picture 4, 1, 5 is appearing. So along with 4, 1 and 5 are there. That means to say 4, 1, 5 are adjacent to each other. Hence we'll write down 1 and 5 here. Since we have already made the entry of 1, we'll only make the entry of 5. And in the fourth picture 4 is not appearing, so we'll not touch it. Now let's come back to the table and now see what are the missing numbers which are not entered in this table. 1 is there, 1 is entered, 2 is not entered, 3 is not entered, 4, 5, 6 are entered. Hence 2, 3 are the remaining numbers. From these 2 remaining numbers we have to identify the opposite, because 2 numbers cannot be opposite to a single face. Hence of these 2, that is of 2 and 3, whichever number from this picture given is appearing maximum number of times, that becomes the answer for this problem. So now let's count for 2. 2 is appearing once here and nowhere else. Hence 2 is appearing only one time. Now we'll move on to find out 3. 3 is appearing once here, twice, and anywhere else? No. So 3 is appearing 2 times in this picture. Hence 3 is the opposite of face 4. Hope you got to know how to solve this problem. Again I repeat, you have to identify the number which is appearing maximum number of times in the picture from those numbers which are listed in the opposite column. Here in the opposite column we have listed 2 and 3, and when we check out in the problem picture, 2 is appearing only once whereas 3 is appearing twice. Hence, whichever number appears maximum number of time, that becomes the answer for this, that becomes the opposite of the phase 4. Hence, 3 is opposite to phase 4. Thank you.